Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing well. So for today, I'll show you how you can add multiple photos in your Instagram stories. So for that, all you need to do is open your Instagram account and then in your home page, go to your this plus icon in your top left corner. After doing so, go to camera and then just click a random photo. Just press this button here. So this is a random photo. You can change the background if you want. After doing so, you will press the sticker sign right here. And then we will go to this plus icon. Here you can add whatever photos you like. I'm adding this one for now. If you tap more, this will change its shape. So it is circle now and it's again square and now it's heart. So let's leave it like this right now. Again, you go to the sticker sign and you click plus. So let's put salad here. For more, again plus this and add another photo. So it's looking like a food vlog for now. So after you are done, you will press this your story right here and your story will get published. Looks beautiful, right? So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and follow our page for more content. We will see you in our next upload.